Welcome to this A2P presentation on the Bernoulli principle. And look, I kind of get excited when I teach this material because it kind of feels like quite exciting kind of discovery science type moments. And I actually remember learning this for the first time, and it was actually this batch of information which got me interested in physics and in fluid dynamics. So I hope maybe this might have a similar influence for you. You might be giggling and thinking, whatever, James, it's not very likely. But just let's see what happens. Okay, first of all, I'd like you to think about setting up two very simple experiments. So I'd encourage you all in a moment to actually have a go at these things. We've got experiment number one here, where you see there's this chap here, and he's got this is a sheet of paper. This thing here is a sheet of paper, and what he's done with this paper is he's sort of bent it over at the rim, and he's placed it against his bottom lip, and you can see here he has blown air forward. And you see the first thing that's interesting is the the sheet rises, which is kind of a bit counterintuitive, right? Now, if you think that that's not too likely, go and try it. You have to get it in the right position. Eventually it will work. And we've got the second image here. If you've got this young chap, I think it's a chap anyway, and he's got what I assume are two table tennis balls or something very, very similar, something light and round and rolly. And what he's doing there is he's blowing air in that direction through the middle of the two balls. Now, the intuitive thing for me when I first thought about this, and you can set this up yourself, is that you think, right, the balls will kind of separate and go out like this. But actually what they do is totally opposite, is they move together and they touch. They hit each other in the middle at this point here. So I'd encourage you all to go and set up those little practical activities. Pause the video and go and do that and have a little go at it, see if you can make it work. But secondly, be aware that you can also form this one here with very simple setups, such as, I mean, the way I've done it before is you get like some kind of stick, you can use a snooker cue or something like that, and what you do is from the stick is you hang two balloons, okay? And then what you can do is you can blow in between the two balloons and the balloons will be attracted into each other. So you can also do it in that format as well. Go and give it a try, and I encourage you all to do that now.